What's up guys, Landon with LMR.com. In this video, I'll be taking a look at 5.0 Resto's steering column shroud kit intended for the 1987 to 1989 Fox Mustangs. An interior part that I always see damaged or missing in 87 to 89 Mustangs is the upper and lower shrouds that install over the steering column. These shrouds cover unsightly, intricate areas such as the column itself, the multifunction switch, and a host of wires associated with that general area. The 1987 to 1989 upper and lower shrouds snap together and then are secured with 3 Phillips head screws. 5.0 Resto's steering column shroud kit is manufactured from Ford tooling and features an OE-like texture to ensure a factory-like fit and finish. These are molded in durable black plastic and will fit 1987 to 1989 Mustangs equipped with the tilt steering wheel. Installing the upper and lower shroud is very easy. Remove the 3 retaining screws with a Phillips head screwdriver. Then you can separate the 2 shrouds and remove each one from the steering column. Position the lower shroud into place, followed by the upper shroud. Go ahead and start one of the Phillips head screws. Before continuing, verify that the upper and lower shrouds are properly aligned, and then install the 2 other Phillips head screws. At this point, you can carefully tighten all of the Phillips head screws, and then you're good to go. Now a little disclosure on these shrouds. Remember, this is molded plastic. When you take it out of the package, you may need to wipe both pieces with some isopropyl alcohol to remove any mold release agents that may be present. It's also a good idea to condition these plastic parts with a high quality water-based dressing to help protect the plastic from sun exposure. For those of you that have an interior with some fading on adjacent panels, it may be in your best interest to grab some of our interior paint and get everything looking new again. You may even consider painting this brand new part to obtain a closer match to your interior. The shroud kit is sold by itself for those of you wanting to reuse your retaining screws. If you're wanting to freshen up those screws as well, be sure and pick you some up when you get your shroud kit. Of course, for the most current product pricing and information on the items you see here, be sure and reference the product pages. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, check out our other videos, and of course, for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT Lightning, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.